As soon as the temperature drops, your body enters a metabolic state called thermogenesis. You aren't just hungry, your digestive fire is actually burning hotter. This is the precise moment nature provides the fuel you need, specifically 6 winter leaves that act as biological tools for your joints and immunity. Today, we are unlocking nature's seasonal pharmacy. These aren't just salads. These are complex tools designed to fix stiff joints and cleanse your liver. Let's go to the market. But quickly, the #1 reason people fail this protocol is the prep work. Chopping 4 cups of greens daily creates friction. To make this habit stick, we use the Full Start Kitchen Accelerator. It handles high volume in seconds and ensures uniform cuts for better cooking. If you want to remove the friction, grab the one we use from the link below. Now, let's look at leaf number 1. Leaf 1 is the joint healer, Suva, or Dill. If you wake up on cold mornings with stiff knees, this is your medicine. Biologically, dill contains volatile oils that reduce internal gas. In holistic medicine, accumulated gas, or vata, aggravates joint pain. A simple bowl of suadal lubricates your connective tissues. Tip: cook it with moong dal for a complete, easy-to-digest protein. Next is cholai, or amaranth. That red pigment signals intense antioxidants that fight winter oxidative stress. It is one of the few plants containing lysine, an amino acid that helps your body absorb calcium. It warms you from the inside out. Cook it with a little ghee and ginger to unlock the iron. Third is your internal janitor, Bathua. We eat rich, heavy foods in winter. Bathua stimulates bile flow to help the liver process that fat. It doesn't strip your body, it supports filtration. Pair it with curd or buttermilk to support your gut microbiome. Number 4 is palak, or spinach. But a crucial Koru health warning: do not eat this raw in winter. The oxalic acid can block nutrient absorption. Lightly cooking it breaks down those oxalates. Always add a squeeze of lemon before serving. The vitamin C unlocks the iron, making it instantly available for your blood. Number 5 is methi, or fenugreek. That bitterness is the flavor of healing. It triggers the pancreas to regulate insulin, keeping your blood sugar stable during carb-heavy winter meals. It is the ultimate metabolic regulator. Now, while methi heals joints from the inside, that takes time. If you are in pain right now, you need an immediate fix. We recommend Balmerex Pro. It's a 27-in-1 plant-based recovery cream. Unlike chemical rubs, it uses arnica and ginger to penetrate deep and soothe inflammation instantly. It's the fire extinguisher for your pain while the diet rebuilds the house. Finally, the king, sarsen, or mustard greens. This is fuel for endurance. It clears mucus from the respiratory tract and stimulates circulation. When blended with maize flour and ghee, it creates a high-density energy source that has kept farmers resilient for generations. To absorb these, use our master protocol. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee that you need for fat absorption. Add cumin, sesame seeds, and your greens. Steam for 7 minutes. Eat a green day meal once a week to winterproof your body. If this helped, subscribe for more science-backed protocols. And for the specific kitchen tools or recovery blends we mentioned today, check the resources link in the description below. Stay warm, eat green, and trust the process.